Alberni, the city with a heart. It's one of the wonders of Vancouver Island, and many things to see. We do.
Of the ones see the faces of the ones we talk about.
Wonderful train ride and a wonderful tour, and I don't think anyone who lives on the West Coast should miss it. It's part of our history.
It's very sentimental to me because both of my great-grandparents had sawmills in Florida, so it was like maybe living my ancestors' life.
It was wonderful, really wonderful.
It was great seeing the old steam engine, seeing how they push the lumber through and cut up and measure and all by hand signals. It's good.
Thank you for our train.
Love it.
You enjoyed your day today?
Yes, it's been great.
How did you like the mill? How did you like the mill?
I loved it. Oh, I loved it. It was really, really interesting. Just kind of going back in time.
Alberni, I think scenically basically reminded me of being home in Scotland. Certainly with with the hills and with the trees. Yeah, but it's just, it seems like there's a real sense of community as well, which we don't really see you don't really see that in many ports. So that's cool. I like it.
I like the snow on the top of the mountains, and it has a really nice vibe. It's really calm, and I met a lady with a dog, and she retired here 3 years ago, which is a good sign. It just means it's a nice place to go.
And it's like one of the places I've seen in the movies, hunting the bears, the eagles flying up high, the rivers, the fishing. I love it. It's amazing, it's quiet, it's beautiful. I will definitely come back.